YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video, man. Today is Tuesday and it's currently 6 a.m. in the morning right now. As you know, we trade London session, so I'm already done trading. I already took the trades that I had to take today, and as you know, we were trading the 550k challenge account today. And unfortunately, man, we had a loss. We had a loss today. This was the trade that we took. I'm gonna explain to you guys the reason, detail by detail, step by step, exactly on why I took this trade. I'm not mad about this trade. The trade was a good idea. I'm just a little bit mad because I didn't consider risk management in this new challenge, man. Because we had a $1,300 loss with two losses. That is more way through blowing the account. We are about to blow this account in only one day. You know how crazy that is? We didn't consider risk management. And the reason why I was going with a lot of risk is because before I blew these accounts, I was trading to get the Supra. So there was, in a way, I had to pass the challenge quickly so we could get funded. And that's the reason why I was over risking, over leveraging. But there is no rush right now. I have no rush behind passing these accounts now. Why did I go with the same risk? You know what I'm saying? There was no reason to do it. And that's, and we pay for it. We pay for it. Now we are $1,000 and $1,300 in drawdown. And we have roughly about $700 that we can still use before we blow this accounts, man, which is crazy. We didn't even think about it. We didn't even think about risk management. How, like two losses, and we are halfway through blowing the accounts. That is insane, bro. That is insane. But anyways, man, let me go over this trade. I will explain to you guys the reason behind this trade. I break the trade down every single day, so hopefully you guys can learn something from it. Even though it was a loss, I feel like the trade idea was a good idea. So yeah, man, let's hop into the computer. All right, man. So as always, if you guys want to see the trades that I take first thing in the morning before I even upload these videos, then you can go follow me on IG, man. I post my trades on IG every single time, as you guys can see. The first trade was a $526 loss, and the next one added up to be $1,300, man. So I'm being fully transparent. I am completely transparent when it comes to the trades that I take. I show it to you guys always. But yeah, man, this was the trade that we took today. Let me delete this so I can go over it step by step by step. As you know, I trade a London session, so when I come into the market is at around 3 a.m. in the morning. And what the first thing that I always do when I come into the markets is I like to go to the 1 hour time frame just to see what kind of trend we have in the 1 hour. And I see what we're pushing. I see that we're pushing towards the upside, so that means that we are bullish. So when I go to the 5 minute time frame, I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for some type of buy entry because the entire market is bullish. So it would make sense to go with the trend, right? So I do see that when I go to the 1 hour, I do see that we have this liquidity grab happening right here. The the low, hold on, let me close this because I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Because the low of this candle got taken out by this low of this candle. So this candle took the low of that candle and started to push towards the upside. So that means that we came down to take liquidity of that low. So when I come to the 5 minute, I'm looking at what is going on. I see if I can get an entry towards the upside. So what happened was I just wait around, just wait. And I see this candle right here, this green candle, pushed up and it's coming from this liquidity graph of this low and it started to push up and it broke above the 13 SMA. The 13 SMA is this blue line that goes along the price. So when I see that we are coming from this liquidity graph and then I see that we're closing above the 13 SMA, I get in. And I was put my stop loss underneath that same candle And my first target, as always, is going to be a 1-to-1. And what happened is just, as you guys can see, it just came down, straight down. It was a loss, immediate loss, crazy loss. It didn't even, it just one single candle came down and we lost. So I was like, you know what? I'm walking away from the markets because, we only take one single trade a day. But I see that it came back down, up again. So I'm like, okay, it's coming from a liquidity graph. It did another liquidity graph in the 5 minute here. So like, okay, there is a higher possibility now that it will now go towards the upside because it already faked me out once. What are the chances that it's gonna fake me out twice? So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just get in again. So this first trade we lost, and then we got in again. I got in again, put my stop loss underneath this low, and as always, first target 1-to-1. And crazy thing is, it was playing around for a little bit. That candle was playing around for a little bit, and yeah, I believe in this candle. That's when I got out. I got out around there, bro. I closed the trade, and we had basically a full hit. We basically took a full hit, but as you know, it came down to our stop loss anyway. So yeah, man, that's the reason why we ended up losing. And as you guys can see, and ended up doing another liquidity graph, and it started to push up again. So the goal was just doing dumb shit, dumb price action today. It wasn't even doing anything that it wasn't showing me where it wanted to go. It was just doing this, that. And that's the reason why we had a loss, man. Like I said, I'm not mad about the trade. I'm just mad about the fact that we were risking too much. But if one thing that I will start doing now moving forward is I will start looking at the 15 minutes because as you guys can see, we did have a 15-minute supply here. So maybe that was the reason why it was having a hard time pushing towards the upside. It was having a hard time to push towards the upside. But then look at the beautiful setup that just came up afterwards, man. Oh well. Okay, never mind. Never mind. That was not a beautiful setup. I thought it was a beautiful setup when I was looking at it, but right now it's not. So never mind. Never mind. But yeah, man, that was the reason behind the trade. And as you guys can see, it ended up not working out for us. And like I said, the main reason I think is because we had a 15-minute supply right here that we didn't even look at until we lost. So maybe that was the reason why it was having a hard time pushing up and never gave us the win. But yeah, man, that is the trade for today. That is the loss for today. And the plan for tomorrow is to risk $300 per trade. I want to get out of drawdown. It's going to be hard to get out of drawdown because we lost a lot today and we have a very few to play with. So it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be difficult, but I will try my best to make it happen, man. I'm not gonna just blow it just because. No, I'm actually going to try to get out of drawdown, get back in profits, and get the account passed. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be difficult, yes, but there is we can make it happen. As long as we stay chill, we stay calm, we stay disciplined, we can make it happen, man. But yeah, this was the trade of today. You don't win all the times, as you know. Not every day is going to be a winner. Not every day is going to be a loser. Not every day you're going to make the right decision. Like today, risk management was a huge thing that we didn't consider. I don't know why we didn't consider that, but it just went over my head. But we learned the lesson, man. Right, man. So as you guys can see, we are back at New Jersey. We are back at the crib. We are no longer in New York, upstate. We went to work today and we came back to the crib. We came back to the New Jersey because we finished the entire job. It was a very busy day today. I was doing a lot of work. I wasn't even thinking about recording this video. So that's the reason why I don't have any content of me working, man. But anyways, we made it back to the crib. We're back at the house, which means that tomorrow on my birthday, I will have a day off. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Isn't it so crazy that this job that we were doing, we finished it exactly the day before my birthday, and now I have my birthday off. I don't have to go to work. Isn't that crazy? Listen, well, let me not say that because I'm still waiting on a word for another job that I gotta go do tomorrow. So, but it has been like hours and hours and hours, and they still haven't said anything if I'm gonna go or not. So I might just say that we're not working tomorrow, which is crazy. But right now, I'm getting ready because I'm gonna go eat with the coworkers, which is actually my cousin. One of the coworkers that we were working with is my coworkers, and they wanted to go to a restaurant. So I'm gonna just go with them because I'm not working tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm not trading London session. We're gonna be trading New York session tomorrow, man. So I'm gonna go eat right now, and I'm gonna have a conversation with you guys after I'm done eating because, as you know, we are deep in drawdown in this new challenge that we started. Es la última vez que voy a comer. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna end this video right now as I'm walking because, bro, I ate so much food, bro. It's insane how full I feel right now. So I was heading back to the house, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go out for a little walk because I'm just way too full. Look where I am. It's snowing out here. I am in a snow field. I'm just walking, trying to digest the food because it's too much food, bro. Like one of those plates that I ate, one thing I realized is people who were eating there, because it's Korean food, so there's a lot of Koreans that were coming in there. So one thing I realized is that they were sharing plates. So from one plate, there was two people eating. So they had this little plates, and they had the big plate in the middle of the table. So they were grabbing and sharing with each other. But me, bro, I didn't know that. I didn't know that's how you did it. So I just got a big old plate of food, and I finished the whole thing by myself, bro. Like I'm a fat ass, bro. When it comes to eating, I don't like to leave food on the table. You know what I'm saying? I got my parents, not my parents, mostly my grandma. They raised me by not doing that. Look at this little heart. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little heart on the ground. Valentine's is coming, and my birthday is tomorrow. Crazy. I will be 23 years old tomorrow. That's insane, bro. It doesn't even feel like nothing special, to be honest. It kind of just feels like a regular day to me. And like I said, tomorrow I'm not working. But yeah, man, I'm gonna just end this video right here. I'm gonna walk for a little bit, digest the food, and then I'm gonna go home, edit the video, upload it to YouTube. Repeat the routine, repeat what I always do. And tomorrow I will be seeing you guys when I'm trading New York session because I'm not working tomorrow, so I'm gonna be trading New York session, not London session tomorrow. And as you know, we are deep in drawdown, so we're gonna have to risk very little to make sure that we get the account back in profits slowly but surely. We're gonna make it happen, man. I'm excited. I don't know why I'm excited, but I'm excited that I'm gonna get it out of drawdown. So I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's kind of cold, but I'm gonna just walk for a little more. Then I'm gonna go home. And yeah, man, y'all stay safe. Y'all stay productive. Don't eat as much as I do. Don't be a fat ass like I am. But yeah, man, y'all stay safe. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man.